In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple measures in a Looker Studio table so you can display several metrics side by side for better analysis. This is useful when comparing values like clicks, impressions, and conversions in one view. To begin, open your report and click on the table you want to update so it becomes selected. This will open the Properties panel on the right side. In the Data section, locate the Metrics area and click Add Metric to include additional measures. Choose the desired metric from your data source, and it will appear as a new column in your table. You can repeat this process to add multiple metrics as needed. Alternatively, you can drag and drop fields directly from the Data panel onto the table for a quicker workflow. Once added, the table will automatically update based on filters and date ranges. Keep in mind that too many measures can affect readability, so focus on the most relevant ones. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.